Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both side, and we have the u equals to 1 over 2 with the square root of s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here from to this one, so I will put number 2 go to the left. So this one we change by u. ds over the square root of s we change by 2 du. So if we want to put this one on numerator, so we put the negative next to the power in here. And now we have the formula in here. So this one we have negative number 3. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.